Hello programmers, hope you all are doing awesome. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmers Mode. In this video, we are going to look at some must-use VS Code extensions that will help you to boost your efficiency and utilize your time effectively. So without any delay, let's get started. First is ESLint. It analyzes and highlights the problematic pattern in code or code that doesn't adhere to certain guidelines. Next is prettier. It is used to reformat your code where it ensures that your code follows proper indentation, spacing, semicolon, quotes and more. Next is path intelligence or path autocomplete. It helps you to autocomplete your file names. Next is material icon theme. It changes the color and design of the folder. It gives better look to a folder structure. As you can see here, all the list of the icons. Next is live server in browser. It helps you run your HTML code locally in your browser using local port. Next is to do. It helps you highlight the task that you want to do. By just writing like this, you can highlight your task and do it later on. In same way, we also have one more extension named as better comments. Here we can see how we can comment these different things, and here we can also use to do, question mark, exclamation mark, star to change the color of the comments that we are using. One more thing I would like to share with you is GitHub pull request and issues. With the help of GitHub pull request and issues, you can track all the created issues and all the created pull requests within your VS Code editor. Also, I have left some more useful extensions for you in description below. Do check it out. For today, that is all. We will meet again in next video with an amazing and interesting topic. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your mates. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.